When can you find 1 hour in a week to do one topic which will build your decade step by step? Is it too much to ask to keep life in order? Obviously not. But we miss it out of the busyness of life. The things that we're focused on will stay on track. Is that true? So sufficient time for those things are important. Who suffers from any of these internal time wasters? Disorganisation, anybody? That's me. What about procrastination? Dr. Robert Schuller said, starting is half done. Pick 1 hour a week where you're going to work on the topic of the week. And defend that 1 hour with all you've got.